Hey y'all. Okay, so we are gonna pull an all-nighter, or attempt to. Literally, I'm obsessed. Y'all, if y'all want nail info for short nails,
3-minute short. Guys, we're sleeping on the couch tonight.
let me show y'all both setup and my setup. Okay, this is my setup. These two or that one pillow, that bag of Cheetos, and then this blanket. Okay. Pick that up. We're not even just have drinks on the couch. Okay. This is Bo's setup. With his little toy.
Look, I want it. No, Sissy. Just.
You know how much I hate when you put stuff over your head?
It's just okay, basically.
Y'all, we're not even sleeping.
Well,
So it doesn't really matter. Y'all, I
but
literally...
she's gotta get some sleep because her birthday party, eating party tomorrow. It's tomorrow.
I took a flipping 3-hour nap this morning. I think I'm fine.
And I can't stay up all night.
Why not?
Because when I go to Mama's, I gotta hit off the tee, and then after your party, I gotta go to Tate's and hit.
Anyways. Yeah, Bo's like... He's obsessed with going to Tate's to hit. Many of y'all who don't know, Tate is my ex-boyfriend. Bo's best friend. And my best friend's boyfriend.
He's got a batting cage in his house, or at his house, and I play baseball. I get practice there for free.
Y'all, he does have shorts on. Alright, I'm gonna refill my drink. I've refilled it twice. And we're almost all out of Sprite, and then I'll have to start drinking milk. Which I don't want to do this tonight. Oh, go grab that Cheeto bag. I don't want any more Cheetos.
Let's go.
Okay, you can have it. Bo just parkoured over that thing. Y'all should comment down below things that we should do tonight. Y'all. Can I tell y'all this? What's up?
Y'all subscribe to Bo Forbes, Bo Houston, Outdoors with Bo, Blakely Holland.
Yeah.
What I said.
Go right now. Go. Here, I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, y'all comment down below what things we should do. Anyways, so you can do all things to Christ who strengthens you. God does it when you communicate with Him. So if any problems occur,
What did you just say?
So if any problems occur, just give it to God.